If you like Korean food, I'm pretty sure that you've heard of tteokbokki. Today, I will tell you how to cook it. First of all, go to a market. Get rice cake, fish cake, chili paste, soy sauce, and sugar. Oh, and vegetables you like. Prepare ingredients for tteokbokki. Prepare. 준비해요. Please prepare. 준비하세요. 준비하세요. Ingredient. 재료. 재료. Please prepare ingredients for 떡볶이. 떡볶이 재료를 준비하세요. 떡볶이 재료를 준비하세요. Second, chop rice cake, fish cake, and green onion. Chop, 썰어요. Please chop. 써세요. 써세요. Rice cake, 떡. 떡. Fish cake, 어묵. 어묵. Green onion, 파. 파. Chop rice cake, fish cake, and green onion. 떡, 어묵, 파를 써세요. 떡, 어묵, 파를 써세요. To make tteokbokki sauce, please prepare soy sauce, 고추장, which is chili paste, sugar, and chili powder. If they are prepared, mix the sauce well. Mix, 섞어요. Please mix, 섞으세요. Sauce, 양념. 양념. Well, 잘. 잘. Mix the sauce well. 양념을 잘 섞으세요. 양념을 잘 섞으세요. Now we are almost done. Put all the ingredients in a saucepan and boil them. Ingredient, 재료. All the ingredients. 모든 재료. 모든 재료. Saucepan, 냄비. 냄비. Put, 넣어요. Boil, 끓여요. Put and boil. 넣고 끓여요. Please put and boil. 넣고 끓이세요. 넣고 끓이세요. Please put all the ingredients in a saucepan and boil them. 냄비에 모든 재료를 넣고 끓이세요. 냄비에 모든 재료를 넣고 끓이세요. 따라! Delicious tteokbokki is done. Delicious 떡볶이. 맛있는 떡볶이. 맛있는 떡볶이. is done. is finished. 완성됐어요. 완성됐어요. Delicious 떡볶이 is done. 맛있는 떡볶이가 완성됐어요. 맛있는 떡볶이가 완성됐어요. It is really easy to make, so try to make it in your house. 한번 만들어 보세요.